Here's a look at what we're tracking the next couple of days. Today there may be a few showers moving through the area, some mixing at higher elevations, mainly freezing rain. Tomorrow is an impact day because winds are going to turn quite strong, gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour heading into the afternoon. Those winds will continue overnight and into the day on Tuesday. And then an Arctic air mass is going to settle in as we head into Tuesday and the rest of the week. Temperatures are going to be well below average. So let's talk about the impact day tomorrow. National Weather Service is considering a wind advisory. They haven't issued it yet, but we'll let you know as soon as they do. Sustained winds will increase to 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. So we could have scattered branches, some small trees down, isolated power outages. Definitely want to secure any outdoor items. Here's a look at predictor wind gusts. You could see during the day tomorrow, they could get up over 40 miles per hour, close to 50. You could see there in York, 47 in Lancaster. They'll continue quite strong even into Tuesday, close to 40 miles per hour for the afternoon hours. So this is just your heads up to be prepared for these winds for the next couple of days. Otherwise, your News 8 Storm Team forecast calls for overcast skies today. A few showers will be developing, and again, there will be some mixing at higher elevations. Temperatures slowly rise to about 38 degrees. We may come down a couple of degrees in the evening, but temperatures are going to hold steady. In fact, after midnight, temperatures will be trending into the low 40s. Tomorrow, we're looking at early showers. Temperatures will peak early in the day to around 50 degrees, and then they will fall through the afternoon, and we're talking about temperatures in the 30s and 40s by the late afternoon hours. So a big change headed our way in temperatures as well. Temperatures right now are in the upper 20s to low 30s, but as I zoom out, you can clearly make out where the warm front is. So the warm front's right here, and south of there, some very warm air, and then the cold front is right here, where you could see there's temperatures at 55 here, but then only 5 degrees in Rapid City. So that's a colder air that's going to move in. So we will see our temperatures peaking overnight tonight. Quiet right now. A warm front is still off to the west, but you're starting to see some showers, even a little mixing coming into the western portion of the state. So later this morning, we could see some of this activity making its way in here as early as 10, 11 o'clock, and then we'll see those showers skirting through the area. So in terms of, we'll take a look at predictor in terms of timing, you could see some of that activity coming in here, I would say 11, 12 o'clock, and then continuing to cross the area. But notice how sparse it looks. We're not talking about a lot of precipitation, and this is out of here rather quickly. Then we're dry, but then the cold front comes through tomorrow morning with some more shower chances, scattered in nature, and again, not a lot of precipitation expected. Then it's all about the wind and the cold air that will follow that front and stay with us for the rest of the 10-day forecast. It looks like it's going to stay quite chilly. Those winds are still going to be quite blustery on Tuesday. So here's a look at the freezing rain potential. Again, the best chance is going to be in the higher elevations, not really across the entire area. And then here's a look at the precipitation through Monday. Again, not talking about a lot, less than 10 hundredths, a tenth of an inch, I should say, a little bit over a tenth of an inch to the north and northwest. Here's your 10-day forecast as we close out the new year. Temperatures are only in the low 30s, quite chilly, and they stay in the low 30s for New Year's Day. However, we'll see some snow showers possible, just some light scattered stuff, and then temperatures will trend into the mid 30s as we head into next weekend with dry conditions Saturday, a rain snow mix possible early on Sunday.